my YouTube channel. And this is my sewing life, what I love to do. And guys, this is a table mat. Guys, I want to see what I do with it now, guys. Wanna look, guys. And before I show the guy, like and share the video, guys. And you get more video. I will do a lot of more fun, guys. And guys, look what I did. I fold the material in two, guys. Just like this, guys. And I'm coming out with a leaf. This is a leaf, guys. Leaf table mat. This is one that's finished, guys. And guys, you can make 4 if you want. Make them a little smaller for your table, guys. 4. You can make a big one for the middle if you want, guys. A big one for the middle. Just for your table. You see what I did? Oh, I fold it in 2. I'm going to show you again, guys, and I cut it around. Then I sew them together. Turn it over, and then I stop stitch it, guys. Like and share, guys. This part for turn over. Put it over, you turn it over, guys. That's why I leave out that part. And guys, just notch the corner to get it come out smooth, guys. Just notch it. And when you turn it over, it come out smooth. Just notch it. You want to turn it over, guys. It come out, the corner come out like this one. If it come out, the corner come out nice. See? Thank you, guys. like up the video. Don't do it like this, guys. Like up the video, guys. Like and share, guys. Comment, guys. And thank you, guys, for watching. Just cut the material, guys. Cut and get what you want out of it, guys. Just cut it. So it's mathematics, guys. And thank you, guys, for like and share and watch.